Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Rosie here, and today I have a brand new stretch for you all. So get ready to just show your body a little bit of love and take care of those muscles, and I will see you on the mat. Hi guys, and welcome to your brand new Sunday stretch. I hope you're excited to take care of that body and have a little bit of you time. So what we're going to do to start today is we're actually going to start in a seated position down on the floor. So I want you to extend your both feet out, legs nice and long, and we're going to put our fingertips out to the sides, and I'm going to get you to take a nice big deep inhale here. Fill that belly with air, and then exhale and let it all go. Same again, big inhale. Fill that belly with air, and exhale, let it all go. Now on this one, we're going to take a big deep inhale, both arms are going to come up. And then I'm going to get you to forward fold, reaching those hands forward towards your feet, and hold here. The longer we hold, the deeper that stretch becomes. So what you can do is just take a big inhale here. And as you exhale and release, see if you can come any closer towards those knees. Good, and then we're going to gently release our hold of our legs and slowly walk ourselves tall once more. Nice. I'm actually going to get you to take both feet out and away from one another now. I'm going to slightly turn our torso towards our first leg in that straddle position. Now it doesn't have to be super big, it's just kind of going with your range. Like straddle isn't the most comfortable stretch for myself, but it definitely does feel a release through my muscles. So for me, I don't try and push too wide, I just sit with it, guys, and feel it. What you do want to make sure is that you are on those cheekbones and you're sitting on your glutes. Before you take a big inhale, reach fingertips up, and we're going to exhale, come forwards to the first leg. Check in with yourself as you're reaching towards this foot or this ankle or this shin. Is your other glute still sat and firmly planted on the floor, or has it started to peel away? Try and stay grounded through both cheeks. And gently release that one. Nice. Okay, so now we turn ourselves and we're going to do the same on the other side. So you're going to turn that torso, big deep inhale, arms up overhead. Exhale, reach forwards towards those toes. And hold on. So on this side, this cheek wants to peel up a little bit. So just got to pay attention to that. Try and keep it down. Nice, and up we come. You're going to just gently bring those legs in and towards one another. Well done. And what we're going to do is we're going to gently roll ourselves back and down to lay long on the floor or on our mat. So slowly peel down and reach those arms up overhead. Nice, guys. I'm going to get you to pull your first leg in and toward your chest, knee leading the way, all the way in, and you're going to take a hold just below that knee. And we're going to gently pull it in, and we're going to hold here for a couple breaths. Good job. And then I'm going to get you to extend, if it feels comfortable to do so, that leg up towards the ceiling. And take a hold behind the leg. Release down. Good. And relax that leg. Let it go long. Other side now, guys. So pull that opposite leg, knee in, up and towards your chest, and take a hold below the knee and pull it in nice and close. Hold here. This is a really nice one for our hamstrings, our hip and joint mobility, and just strengthening and lengthening. with that hold. So same as we did on that first side, you're gonna extend that leg long up towards the ceiling, take a hold behind the leg and pull it in nice and close. Nice and close, I say. I definitely have very tight hamstrings, so this is a really nice one for me. All of these stretches today are kind of playing with my probably tighter areas. That's why it's good to do it. And let that one fall long. Good. Now what you can do is you can just pull those feet a little bit closer towards your glutes, and actually we're just going to stretch out the opposite way by lifting our pelvis and squeezing our glutes. And you might just feel a little bit of a release here, just a couple breaths hold. And let that one go. Gently to the floor. And then let both knees fall out and away from one another. And you can apply a little bit of pressure just to the top of those legs. Again, the longer we hold this one, the more of a release you'll feel. Feel it come deeper into those hips. Ooh. And that groin area, perhaps you feel it there. Take those hands over the top of the head and just stretch long. Really feel that one today. Good. And then just bring yourself back to knees to ceiling. Gently roll yourself over to one side, fetal position, and curl up. Come to seated. Wherever feels comfortable, a loose seated position, a tight one. And just to finish up, I just want you to take both hands on the top of those knees and you're going to push your chest through and proud. And then you're going to release that breath and you're going to pull your chin to your chest and curl through. Inhale, push your chest through and proud. Exhale, tuck your chin to your chest and curl through. And then just settle in the middle. Soft gaze, soft arms, close those eyes, and let's just take one big deep inhale to finish all together. Let it go. And thank you so much for joining me for your stretch this Sunday. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't already, please subscribe to our channel so you never miss an upload, you never miss a stretch, you never miss a workout, and I'll see you soon for more. Bye guys!